How to deposit money on Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can deposit money on Cash App. So let's get started. First step, open up your Cash App. So initially, this is what you'll be on. This is the $sign on the bottom center. So to deposit money, we should not be here. We should actually be on the bottom left option. That is the money section. So tap on that and this is what it should look like. So if you have cash balance already, it should show you on the top like that. And now to finally deposit or add money, what you'll need to have is you'll have to link any source of money such as your bank or credit card. So if you don't know how to do that, you can watch other videos on how you can add or link bank on your Cash App. So to know if you have already done that or not, tap on the top right corner on your profile icon. After you do that, there under account and settings, you'll find linked banks section button. Tap on that and there you can see accounts. So right there, you will need to know that if you have linked your bank, that's fine. But if you've linked your credit card, they will charge you a small amount whenever you do a transaction. So I recommend you guys, if you're new to Cash App, just link your bank account. So after you've done that, you can come back and finally now adding the money or depositing the money, tap on add money right beside the withdraw option. Now you can choose a preset option that's already given there. That is the $10, $25, $200, or you can simply tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner. If you tap on that, you can now add a custom amount. So you can tap on how many dollars you want. You can let's just do $5 and tap on add. After you do that, you've just added $5 to your balance from your bank account. So after you've done that, you can just go back to this page and check if your cash balance has increased or not. And there we go. And that's how you deposit money on Cash App. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.